Okay, so this video I'm going to make here is about why I eat fruits and vegetables. It should seem like an obvious thing, but a lot of people ask me "Oh my God, why do you eat so many vegetables? Are you a vegetarian? What is it? What's going on?" Um, yeah, so humans are omnivores, so we can eat anything, but we don't have to eat everything. We are better suited to eat certain things, fruits and vegetables, because they have fiber and vitamins and stuff, and they're easier to digest than meat and fat and fake chemical garbage that most people eat. Not saying that you can't sometimes. I had definitely had some chorizo cheese quesadillas earlier, but anyways, eat a fucking apple. You know what I'm saying? Or we'll do whatever you want to do with your apple, but some apples are for eating, and you should do it. And don't give other people a hard time for eating fruits and vegetables. I don't know why everyone's like, "Oh, are you a vegetarian? Are you vegan? Are you gonna try and convert me now?" And I'm like, what? Why are you offended by my food choice? I'm not. I'm actually a vegetarian. I just sometimes eat vegetarian things. Anyways, that's enough of a, eat fruits and vegetables. Don't bother people when they do it. That's the video. Peace.